Okay, so today we are going to study about the comparator circuit using op-amp. Now, as we now this is the basic circuit. Here, here the op-amp is acting in the open loop condition. That means the gain of the op-amp is very high. Now, in the inverting input terminal, we are giving the reference voltage, which is generally the DC voltage. This, and in the non-inverting input, we are giving the input AC signal, and these two registers R is added just to make the output offset voltage and current 0. Now, when the voltage in the non-inverting input is more than the voltage at the inverting input, the output is V plus V saturated. Which plus V saturated means it will take the voltage of V plus power supply. Whereas if the voltage at this inverting input is more than the voltage at non-inverting input, then the output of the op-amp will be minus V sat. Means it will take V minus. V minus is the power supply, negative power supply voltage. So in fact, this comparator circuit is comparing the two voltages applied to inverting input and non-inverting input and giving the output accordingly. The output will be either plus Vsat or minus Vsat, because this circuit is working in open loop condition. Now, if we see this waveform, you see that we have considered V reference as positive. This dotted line, this is the positive voltage. So when V input signal is less than V reference, we are getting minus V set. Whenever input voltage is more than V reference, that means in this region, we are getting V set plus V set. And here you see that input voltage is less than V reference, this region. So we are getting here minus V set. So in this way we are getting the square waveform. Now this is when the V reference is negative. So when V reference is negative, this is the V reference voltage. So here also the same thing. Here when it is more than V reference, means this entire region, that means this full entire region, the input voltage is more than V reference, then we are getting this plus V set. And when it goes below V reference, that means this one, we are getting minus V set. So in this way we are getting the square waveform. Now this is the practical circuit. Here what is happening is the V reference voltage in this inverting input, I am having this V reference voltage. So this V reference voltage is obtained from the power supply voltages of op-amp. This V plus and V minus, these are the two power supply voltages. From these power supply voltages, using this potentiometer, this is a potentiometer, we are getting the V reference voltage, which is variable. Okay, we can make V reference voltages variable. So this is generally the practical circuit that we get. Now this is the inverting. Now the previous one that we did, this is the non-inverting comparator, because the input signal is applied to the non-inverting input. But when we apply input signal to the inverting input, here the input signal, this VI is applied to the inverting input, and reference voltage is non-inverting, so it is an inverting comparator. And then the explanation is same. And then we have the same explanation, only the role is reversed, and then we can explain in the same way as before, and we get a square wave. Now one of the important application of comparator circuit is zero crossing detector. Here what we are doing is the reference voltage we are making zero. So when reference voltage is made 0, which is at non-inverting input, and input voltage is applied as the inverting input, this is an AC signal. So here you see the waveform. When so 0 is the reference signal, 0 is the reference. So when input voltage is above reference, input is above reference and it is applied to inverting input, means the output will be minus V sat. Now when it crosses, when this 0 is crossed, then the input signal becomes less than V reference. And when in this region, this region is input signal less than reference. So input signal is less than reference, that means output will become plus V saturated. And in this way it goes on. So you see that when the signal is crossing 0, that time the output of op amp is changing from minus Vset to plus Vset. So whenever 0 is crossed, the output changes from minus Vset to plus Vset, and again when this 0 is crossed, again it changes from plus Vset to minus Vset. So we can say that it is acting as a crossing detector. Okay, thank you.